Assalamu alaikum. In the previous video, we talk about prime factorization with the help of factor tree method. But in this video, we will discuss about prime factorization of a number by using ladder method. Okay. In the previous video, we took an example of 30, number 30, and we make a factor tree of this number and find its prime factors. But now for the ladder method, we here take this example, number 30. The setup for this type of problem will be like this. We draw a horizontal and vertical line and put a number 30 in it. Okay, first of all, the main difference between the prime factorization by factor tree method or by ladder method is this. The main difference is this: in ladder method, we only use prime number for the division. Okay, here we make a list of some initial prime numbers that are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19, and so on. It's going on. We have considered only these initial prime numbers. Okay, here we take most least number that is used for the division. Here we take 2. We write 2 here, and now we have to divide 30 by 2. Here separately we will divide number 30 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Okay, here we get an answer of 15. We write 15 here. Now our ladder method will continue until we get a prime number here. If we get a composite number, then our question will continue. Okay, now we have to divide 15 by 2. Is 15 is divisible by 2? No. So we will take the next prime number, that is 3. We have to write 3 here, and now divide 15 by 3. 3 5 times, that is 15, and we get an answer, that is 5. Okay, is we get a are we get a is 5 a prime or a composite number? 5 is a prime number, so our method will stop. The number that are on the left side of this ladder are the factors of number 30. We write number 30 here and write its factor, that are 2 cross 3 cross, and the number, this number is also should be written here. It is a factor of number 30. So this is the method how we find prime factors, how we do factorization of number 30 by ladder method. Now we take another example. Let's we have a number 360. 360 is a number, and we have to find prime factors of number 360. We draw a ladder for this purpose. Now start with the least prime number, that is 2, and start the division from here. Okay, I have to divide number 360 by 2. Divide here, 2 1 2, 2 8 16, and this 0 will be right here. The answer is 180. Now is 180 is a prime or a composite? Yes, 180 is a composite number. So the question will continue. Okay, now 180 is divisible by 2. Yes, so we consider 2 here. Divide 180 by 2. 2 9 times is 18. and 0 will be right here, and we get an answer of 90. Now divide 90 by 2. 2 fours are, divide 90 by 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, and we get an answer of 45. Is 45 a prime or composite number? Yes, 45 is a composite number. So we have to continue the question. But 45 is not divisible by 2. So we consider the next number, prime number. So we take 3 here and divide 45 by 3. That is, we get answer 15. Here, divide 15 by 3. 3 fives are 15. Here we get a number that is prime. This 5 is a prime number, so our question will end here. Okay, now write factors of 360 here. 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 3 cross 3 cross, and this number is also put it here. Okay, these are the prime factors of number 360. Now we have to write these factors in index notation form. For this purpose, I write 2 here and count how many times 2 is present here. 1, 2, 3. I put 3 par here, cross 3 par 2 into 5. So these are the factors of number 360 in the form of index notation. Thank you.